Now this over here will cook hundreds of meals for its fortunate owner. And it could be you. Start building our cooker. We're going to lay it on a flat surface. Using a straight edge, we're going to fold the panels very quickly. We'll do that with the front and the back of the cooker. Make sure that it comes complete. You're going to need the 2 elevation bars, an instruction manual. You're also going to need 6 bolts, 6 steel washers, 6 wing nuts, 2 hex nuts, and 4 rubber washers. Now, take one of the steel bolts and stick it through the inside of your middle panel. Next, take the trapezoidal shaped panel and stick the same bolt through that one as well. The small panel, that goes last, and that's going to be on the outside. Once it's gone through all of them, take one steel washer, slot it on the outside, and fasten it with the wing nut. Good. Now let's do the other side. While on the summer base, the top panel comes on the inside and the front panel on the outside. But the elevation bar comes outside everything. We'll start at the top. We're going to use 2 rubber washers then. Go through the elevation bar, fasten it off with a steel washer and a wing nut. Do the same for the bottom panel, but replace the rubber washers with a single hex nut. Did you get type 5?
I think so.
Have to make sure that we've got our cooker with the right shape. That means this dimension over here would be the same as that dimension over there. I can see that this has been properly built, so we're good to go. One last step. Don't forget your sun sight. The sun sight goes in at either panel. Just make sure that it's facing towards the front of the cooker and not away from it. This over here, if well taken care of, it will cook hundreds or even thousands of years. Congratulations on your choice of the all-season solar cooker. There are very few things in life that are free, but the Lord's supply of sunshine, that is one of them. So this over here next to me, this is an absolute game changer when it comes to personal energy supply. If well looked after, one of these could cook hundreds or even thousands of meals for you and your family in the coming years. War or peace, this will carry on cooking. In Jesus' name, you be blessed.